So yeah, we get that thing. That nice, that Jack. Now I said, if I were to get a charge, this is gonna be something like this. You understand me?
Hey, what's happening? This rolling SS, man. Hey, check this out, man. I'm pretty sure you know by now, but I wrecked my Camaro SS. Somebody hit me, had to get totaled out. Need a new car. So I went and got me a car yesterday, man, and check this out, man. It ain't got no tinted windows. I'm like a fishbowl in this thing. So the first thing I got to do, man, is get the windows tinted. Got it yesterday, windows tinted today. What else I'm gonna get today, man? Let's check out this list and see what else I'm gonna get today for this car. You did. Yeah. All right, man. Over at this muffler shop, finna see what they can do for me. Hopefully, it don't take too long, man. I spent about 3 hours at the tech shop. So let's see what these mufflers can do for you, boy, man. Let's see. So I didn't get to show y'all yesterday because it started raining on you, boy. But look at the tent, though, man. Ain't kind of dark, ain't it? They tinted every window on the car. Sunroof and out. And I went and got me some pipes, man. Well, I went and cut some off. Pretty good. I want to see how she sound.